Hi there, and today we are going to learn about how to fix spacing issues in Squarespace. So here I am in my Squarespace website dashboard, and let's go to the website editor. So let's just click on Edit Site and then click on Edit. And as you can see right here, there is a lot of space for these two sections right here. So for example, for this one, I have a lot of space right here. If I want to adjust the space, I can just go ahead and adjust the spacing of this element right here. Then to adjust the space of the section, I can just go ahead and drag this until I fit this text right here. So now we have removed the spacing issue of having too much space. And then for this one, we can also do the same thing. So for example, this button right here is too far from this text. What we can do is that we can just adjust the size of the block, and then we can just put the button right here. Then we can adjust the size of the button. So if you want it to be wide or you want it to be narrow. Then we can also edit the button if you want to change the text. And then for the design. And then for the spacing of these two elements right here, if you want to move them both at the same time, you can just drag your mouse until you select both of them, and then you can just go ahead and move them at the same time so that you don't need to manually adjust the space again. And then if you want to move the images right here, you can just go ahead and then drag them around. And then you also need to check the mobile version of your website. So for example, if I go the mobile view, as you can see now, the spacing is different as well. We have the button right here, and then we have the text right here, and then we also have this blank space. What we can do is that we can just adjust it and then put the button right here. If you want to shorten the length of the button, you can do so as well, but I want to make it wider since this is the mobile version of the website. And then we have some extra space right here. So I can just select these three images, adjust them right here, and then adjust the space. So now we don't have any excess space for this section. This section has a lot of space. So let's just adjust it and then drag the section right here so that we remove all of the extra space. And then you can just do the same as well for all of your other elements in your website. So just make sure that you check both the mobile version and the desktop version of your website. Then if you're happy with the changes, just go on and click Save. And then exit. And then when we preview the website, we can see the changes is reflected for both the desktop version and the mobile version. And then that is it. That is how we fix the spacing issues here in Squarespace. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.